If someone you know suffers a cardiac event, the chances of them returning to the hospital within the first week of discharge are very high. We spoke with the medical director of the Leesburg office of Better at Home and Mederi Caretenders, Dr. Kenneth Sampong, about the importance of at-home care after a cardiac event.
If you look at my area like congestive heart failure, the drive is to try and decrease the readmission rates for patients with congestive heart failure to the hospitals. And when you look at the outcome of patients that Better at Home takes care of at home, their readmission rate is very low. The senior advocacy is important, sets them apart as far as I'm concerned, and also their readmission rates, very important. I'm more involved in the heart failure, heart conditions, the pathology of the heart basically. And when you interact with the healthcare personnel, yes, we're talking certified nurses, trained to identify patients with congestive heart failure off the bed, knowing how to adjust even medications, but they normally will call you, the physician, to let you know about the deterioration of your patient as far as heart failure is concerned. So yes, they do have personnel trained in their area of expertise, depending on the condition of the patient. I also do have patients who have conditions like atrial fibrillation, where they are on a medication like Coumadin, where there is a need to check on their blood levels of the Coumadin. And here we do have experts from home health, Better at Home, that will go in there, check it, report the values, constant communication with me, so that we together adjust the medications of these patients. When I evaluated home agencies, I look at their senior advocacy, which I think is second to none, boiling down to communication with the patients, and stressing the importance of the whole process of the healthcare at home.
For contact information and a full list of services offered by Better at Home and Mederi Caretenders, click the Cardiac Care Story Link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.